Hello everyone, I am Rohit and I on behalf of Zero Society would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. And here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters. And today the chapter that I will be covering is from Class 1 NCERT board. Subject is mathematics and the chapter is number 1, chapter 1, and the name of the lesson is known as Shapes and Scale. The innovation that I'll be using here for covering this lesson is known as theme-based attendance. And the innovation behind using this idea is to use attendance as a means of learning the concepts that have been taught in the lesson. And during the whole process, the students will be saying out on a particular topic or words from a chapter instead of saying out the word present. The duration for this activity will be 20 minutes, and the concepts that we will cover with the help of this innovation is learning about describing shapes. That is revising of the concept of describing shapes. We need to make sure one thing before implementing this idea, that we have already completed the building and explaining part of the chapter, and we will use this innovation only as a means of revising the concepts. Before starting this innovation, a few instruction to the teacher will be: the theme of the lesson will be describing shapes, and the teacher will be calling out the students according to their roll number, and the students will be saying out a word from the chapter. The instructions to the students will be as such: they will be listening to the roll number, and once they are called, their roll number is called, they will stand, go to the picture card, or they may take the picture card in their hand, and while pointing at the picture card, they will have to say which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Say for example, um, roll number 1, Ria. Ria will stand, and suppose she has got the picture card of a car and a bus. Then she will say that the bus is bigger than the car. Then when you call out roll number 2, say roll number 2, Priya. Then Priya, say suppose she has got a picture card of a cherry and an apple. She will stand and she will show the picture card to everyone, and then she will say that the apple is bigger than the cherry. We can give picture cards to each of the students as per availability, or we can have a single picture card as single chart where the students will point out and say out the which one is bigger and which one is smaller, and we continue this process until we have completed the whole attendance. And when we start taking attendance in this way, even though it's a very simple concept, even though it might seem a simple concept, but it's very effective when it comes to revising of concepts. And the students, when they are listening, we also tell them to maintain discipline while during the whole process. And when you start implementing this idea in this process, they learn how to remain polite and respect others' thoughts. Along with this, when the students will be looking out at a picture card and giving out answers, it will also help in developing the critical thinking and the decision making process. And I'm definitely sure that when you will go and implement this idea in your own classrooms, then you will be getting a lot of other benefits apart from the ones which I've mentioned. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. I hope you like this video. And if you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share, and subscribe to our official channel, ZIIEI. And also for more ideas, more of such ideas from us, you can also download our app from the Google Play Store. You can type ZIIEI Innovative Pathshaala, and you will get the app where different teachers have shared their different ideas. That's all for now. Thank you.